Here's how engaging with this chapter will help you achieve the chapter learning outcomes and the standards set for the CIPD or an equivalent module. Chapter learning outcomes. Understanding different approaches to theorizing reward management. This chapter explores a range of theories from various disciplines, including economics, psychology, sociology, and strategic HRM. Each perspective offers unique insights into the effort-reward bargain and how to design effective reward strategies. By examining these diverse viewpoints, you'll develop a more nuanced and critical understanding of reward management. Conceptualizing and understanding theoretical debates in reward management. The chapter highlights key debates in the field such as the role of extrinsic versus intrinsic rewards, the nature of the psychological contract, and the impact of organizational structures on reward systems. By engaging with these debates, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the complexities and controversies surrounding reward management. Let's move on now to the CIPD Strategic Reward Management Module Learning Outcomes. Examine the key factors influencing the design of reward strategy and policy frameworks. The chapter explores the interplay of economic, social, and psychological factors that impact on reward strategy design. You'll gain an understanding of how market forces, organizational culture, and employee expectations influence the design and implementation of reward policies. Critically evaluate the impact of organizational reward strategies to attract, motivate, and retain talent. The chapter delves into various theories of motivation and the consequences of different reward strategies. You'll be able critically to analyze the effectiveness of different reward models in attracting, motivating, and retaining talent. Explain the merits and impact of transparency and fairness in approaches to reward. The chapter emphasizes the significance of fairness and transparency in reward management. You'll gain an understanding of how perceptions of fairness influence employee attitudes and behavior, and how reward strategies can be designed to foster trust and commitment. All in all, by engaging with the content in this second chapter in the book, you'll gain a solid foundation in the theoretical frameworks that underpin reward management. This knowledge will enable you to evaluate different reward strategies critically and explain how to design more effective and equitable reward systems that balance the need to support organizational success and employee well-being.